has presented strong evidence of 6 aggravating circumstances in which this court found that all of them were proven beyond a reasonable doubt and given great weight in consideration. Mr. Truehill has presented evidence of 5 statutory mitigators and 40 non-statutory mitigators. This court found that 3 of the statutory mitigators deserved less than slight weight. 1 was categorized as having slight weight, and the court found that 1 had no weight. As to the non-statutory mitigators, the court found that 20 had less than slight weight, 15 had slight weight, 4 had moderate weight, and 1 had no weight. In a global sense of analysis, the statutory aggravating evidence presented in this case overwhelmingly and substantially outweighs all of the statutory and non-statutory evidence of mitigation combined. The court finds that the jury in this case got it right. This court imposed a death penalty upon Quentin Truehill for the killing of Vincent Binder. In sum, the killing was done by Mr. Truehill, who had lost his freedom because he had robbed and killed before, but regained it by escaping from imprisonment, only to kill again without just cause. If the death penalty is truly reserved for those cases that are the most aggravated and least mitigated, then this case certainly qualifies. The weight of the aggravators in this case are among the heaviest that the law recognizes. Mr. Quentin M. Truehill, being personally before this court and accompanied by his attorneys of record, Raymond Warren, Rosemary Peoples, and James Valerino, and the court having given the defendant an opportunity to be heard and to offer matters in mitigation of sentence and to show cause why the defendant should not be sentenced as provided by law, and no cause being shown, it is the sense of the court that on count 1 of the indictment and for the first-degree murder of Vincent Binder, you be adjudicated guilty of said offense, and that you, Quentin M. Truehill, be committed to the custody of the Department of Corrections of the state of Florida to be put to death in the manner prescribed by law. On count 2 of the indictment, and for the kidnapping of Vincent Binder, that you, Quentin M. Truehill, be committed to the custody of the Department of Corrections of the state of Florida to be imprisoned for a term of natural life. These sentences are to run concurrent with one another, and costs are hereby waived.